Hello everybody, welcome to Impressive Image Maker channel. This is Toshi Yagi from beautiful little island Okinawa, Japan. I'm a photographer. I shot this image for a long time ago. Well, as you can see, this perforation, a little hole of the film, 35mm reversal film, and I have this image, and also I made this pencil drawing type of image by Adobe Photoshop used filter called Find Edges. Well, I think this is not sunny day yet, but I want to make this image to sunny days, nice California atmosphere or something. Try to make something like that illustration type image. Well, let's get started. Okay. Now I'm gonna check this changing blend mode. Look for something nice colors. Sometimes overlay has nice light colors image. Well, since this is old time, so I gotta make some saturated colors. Well, luminosity has some pastel colors a little bit. Okay, I'm gonna make this image first. Alright, make group, then duplicate this group, then flatten this image. Now I'm gonna duplicate this layer, then change blend mode to multiply. Color goes a little bit dark. Okay, and then merge down. No, this is not enough, but I'm gonna, move these two layers out of this group, then we don't need this group anymore, just delete. Then I'm gonna, move this pencil drawing type image, just go up, then bring this one blend mode back to normal, then turn it off to keep it just now. Then I'm gonna change this original image. Well, I changed the names. Alright, I'm gonna change opacity. Well, I may use different effect, so I'm gonna duplicate this original image. Then just for turn it off one, just for keep it, and I'm gonna change opacity of this original 50%. Then let's see, over this luminosity effect layer we see half tone of the image. Then I'm gonna add layer for painting. Now I'm gonna add some nice pastel colors on this layer 5, and let's see. First of all, go for her skin tone with no texture on the brush, so I'm gonna use airbrushing to medium airbrush. Pick some nice skin tone. Let's see. Now I'm going to change blend mode from normal to color. Alright, now I'm going to add some colors. Like, let's see, from green background, more nice saturated colors, make it a nice illustration. Pretty nice area, isn't it? Nice greens. Now I want to add one more layer. Blend mode is normal, so some area doesn't have much density on it, so we can put on regular paint. As you see, Now we're painted on density. Now I'm going to add some yellowish sunny light. Now, I add so much colors, but now we have two color layers. One is blend mode normal. What we want is a little bit more saturated pop-up image. So let me change. Let's see. Turn on this original image. This is normal 100% max. Turn on. Then change this original 50% halftone image. Now it's normal, just opacity 50%. If I change to maybe just add 50%, then change luminosity effect layer, normal blend mode to, this is color burn. It gets more contrast, isn't it? Original 50%, add blend mode is lighten up overall image, but this is not right because texture of the roof doesn't show much. Then if I turn on this pencil drawing type image, if we have texture on the roof, then maybe we see some, but no, we don't much have. Color burn, change to darken. Well, some maybe. Some textures, yes. How about this color? This is just painted on. There's no texture, density on the roof, pretty much washed out, so it doesn't show the color if I change the blend mode. So original image, maybe turn this pencil drawing type image now, then just leave it this way. Then I'm going to change original image, original blend mode. Add to screen color dodge, goes contrast and overlay. A little bit contrast. Now luminosity effect layer. This one shows a little bit more lighten up. Well, go back to normal. The original image is 50% normal. Darken. This was color burn 50. Yeah. Now it's okay for pastel colors so far. I want to make mask on this luminosity effect layer. just touch her face. I don't want to show these dark lines. No, about this much. This is a lot nicer. Yeah, that's all. Okay, now I'm gonna make mask overall over this color layer, add layer, fill layer with white. Now I'm gonna make mask, drawing to evolve. Then reveal this. Now change brush to gloaming. Alright, now little pine. I think nice to have this. Yeah. Well, I add some colors, saturated colors, flowers color, red and yellowish. That's about it. About around here too. Blue and orange, saturated color, and some. And shadow side of these roofs, under this balcony, about her skin tone, just touch. Little bit healthy color. Alright, that's it for today. And okay, let me see. Okay, this is normal image. Original image. I made the luminosity layer as a base, but changed blend mode to color burn to add on original image. Go pretty dark. Then I add same original image, opacity 50%, screen shows, lighten up this much. Then I add color, blend mode is color, add color like this much. Then also I have normal blend mode color, which is these roofs. Some place doesn't have much density on it. Then I made mask with a white layer like so. Then this is kind of what do you say, if I add this pencil drawing type of image, darken image to get this frame. So I think it's nicer to have this frame. Well, that's it. Thank you for watching my video, and I hope this movie is gonna give you some kind of idea for your creative work. Add color for blend mode change to normal, and color to add colors. Well, thank you again, and you guys have a nice day, and see you next time. Yep. Bye now. Ciao.